Good morning, everyone present here. I am Priyanka from Panathur branch, and the game which I am going to present today is Let's Go for Shopping. So, the objective of the game, the aim of the game is to bring the conceptual learning to a real life applications. So, this game is basically designed for grade 3 and 4. A market scenario will be presented. Yeah, is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes. It's not in full screen now.
Okay, yeah.
Slide show mode. Done.
Okay. So this game is about bringing the market inside the classroom. It can be played both online and offline. And it will bring the conceptual level to the real life application of money. So this game will provide knowledge about rupees and paisa, addition and subtraction of money, and how to prepare rate charts and bill. So firstly, for this game to proceed, students have fake currency in their maths kit which they will be using. A particular amount will be given to them. They have to, let us say, take out 10,000 rupees from their maths kit. Everyone will keep the currency with them. Price is written to them. So after this, students have to make this bill in their notebook, and then task will be given to them. So they have rupees 10,000 with them, and the first task which they have to do is they have to spend 150 rupees, and they have to put four different items. So they cannot repeat the same item again and again when they're filling their basket. So again the list will be displayed to them, and then students have to select four different items, and they have to spend only rupees 150. So now the child has to think that which four different items he can put, and the total amount should only come to 150. So 5 minutes time will be given to the students. In online class it will be played individually, but in the real classroom we can divide the class into groups, and then they can shop for the given items with the particular amount of money. So after they complete one task, 5 minutes time will be given. Those who are not able to fill in the basket according to the given task, means they can keep it up. They have filled only up to 120 rupees, or they have filled on to up to only three items in their basket, then they can so again one task will be shown to them. Now the task is different. They have to spend 130 rupees and again put four different items in their basket. So like five or six tasks will be given, keeping the time slot of 40 minutes in mind. The one who will finish the task earliest will be the winner of the game, and after that they have to calculate the amount left with them. So child has to calculate how much, what was the total amount he had, and what is the amount left with him. And then few questions will be asked from the winning team, that which is the most expensive item in the store, or which is the cheapest item in the store. So like this we can play this game in the classroom. Thank you, ma'am.